Okay, back for a quick follow-up. So we're tackling the wiring underneath this console because nothing works. The bilge pump don't work, the lights don't work. And you know, this is the most basic boat I think I've ever had in my life. It's got a bow light, a stern light, and a bilge pump. And when you look at this mess, oh my God, nobody will believe this. There's a giant switch panel that had its own wires. There has another panel that had its own wires. And I mean, right here's the motor harness. That's it. That's all we need here. I beside myself sometimes when I see this stuff. So anyway, it's a good thing I got in there. I'm just tearing it all out. I'll make it right, make it new, make it nice. And I know when I turn the light on, the light will come on. When I turn the bilge pump on, the bilge pump will come on. It's just the little simple things in life that make a difference. Oh my goodness! I just had to show that to you because I guess I see it a lot when I'm getting into these old boats. But this isn't an old boat. This is a 2019. Man, oh man! All right, we'll be back.